Hello, kind regards. This is the presentation Group 76. Step 6. Prepare Technology Negotiation. Presented by Juan Carlos Cortés, Fabián Andrés Pantoja, Gladys Cecilia Moncayo, Rubiela Estefanía Benítez y Iván Darío Ibar. Tutor Juan Miguel Olave. Course Valuation and Negotiation of Technology. May 2022. Protect the intellectual property of the software. The legal protection of software is done through the deposit of the software before the National Directorate of Copyright. This is a protection system based on USB keys that allow the software license to be anchored so that it only works in the presence of the device. The way in which the law allows legal protection for software is through Decision 351 on the Andean Community of Nations and Law 23 of 1982. They speak of copyright, no patents. Value method used to establish the price and the reason for selection. The results obtained according to the approach selects for each the methods were as follows. Cost method based in cost-saving approach for research and development. Market method based in royal approach. Income method from an approach of the allocation of profits between the creator in license and who distributes on usufructive. Cost method, market method, income method. Within release 1998 approach. The final value of the software should be a number that could be in the range of values that each of the methods return. Therefore, for this case, the manager could set an interval between the lowest and highest value of time. Lowest 243,750 and highest value 328,125. In this way, the fair market value for the software goal could be oscillating between these two values. General license and trading conditions. Contract clause defining the proposal for the commercialization of the software. Paris. The software company Colombian's ECA agrees to deliver the software license called Accounting Integration Application. The Google pays the economic right provided by the seller. The buyer undertakes to cancel the value of the software in the way that the parties agree and to proper use of it, without occurring in violations of the agreement that is signed in the contract. Start date. The license becomes effective of May 29, 2022, after signing the contract and accepting all the agreements of the parties and making the corresponding payments. Duration. The duration of the software license is perpetual, with the single negotiation of renegotiation will only be carried out if there is a net introduced update to the applications. Nature of license. The license that is being negotiation belongs to the nature of copyright and it is not exclusive, for which it can be negotiation with more clients interested in the product. Work schedule. The software company Colombian ESA undertakes to make an adjustment to product in the client's software. If it is within the signed agreement, it is why a meeting is scheduled within a month after the contract is signed of scheduled activities in common agreement to carry out activities to improve the product to guarantee the total satisfaction of the parties.